Hello and welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships. We move now to a new place, Arctic World. And they're off and racing. As you can see, Lewa is driving a sail skier. Very fitting. Let's off a dog. Now, we're bound to see some good driving in this world. Round through the trapped ship. Out of again. Round. Over rough bumpy ground there. Into the tunnel. Jumping. Very good. Extremely good driving there. Managing to stay ahead of all the others. There's someone else with a sail skier. He must have an engine built in, though, just like that. Oh, someone just got drilled. And round. They were going through past, past somewhere, into the trapped ship again, around, over the ice, careful not to fall in the water, through the other side, here come some others, letting off electrical bomb, lower, up, and out of the trapped ship, and into the tunnel. Some people shooting each other now. Round the hill, inside of the hill, up past the pits and around to win it.